Yeah. You can do the same thing with mine. Shitty one.
Crazy. Ooh, look at that nasty fucking customer.
Just a little rose.
Even bigger one there. All right, what's up? We're gonna do some sawing here. We got this big ass piece of wood that looks kind of like a mushroom, as you can see behind me here.
I'm still a sawyer.
Mike pointed it out, and it's actually huge. So we got the 32-inch bar on the Husqvarna 395, and we're gonna cut some slabs, and we're gonna try and make some tables or something out of it. So let's see how this turns out. It's really, we got quite a bit of length there, at least 6 or 7 feet. So we're gonna see how many we can cut and what we can do with them. So follow along as we get this done.
Like, share, subscribe. Oh shit. Nondescript alcoholic beverage.
Fake YouTube drinks.
Hashtag not sponsored.
It's gonna be hard as hell to start with this long bar on it.
Well, it'll be the same.
Oh yeah, look at the wobble in that bar when I fucking pull it, eh? Holy fuck, man, that is a huge piece of wood. That's a 32-inch bar, and we're barely gonna be able to do it.
Barely is being cutting right here and coming back at it from the other side. That's barely.
Wow.
Straight barley!
Alright, are you sure you want to sit that fucking close?
Yeah, why? Once you put the fucking wood in, what are you gonna do? You're gonna cut you, not me.
You want like 3-4 inch pieces?
Yeah, give us a big one.
Okay. We'll definitely try that. I'm gonna try to do it as straight as possible.
Well, that does sound reasonable.
And we want to keep on that angle, so that's gonna be the tricky part, but we'll get her. It is easier to start than it was yesterday. Of course I am! Of course I am! Goddamn fucking cow! I don't think this chain's that sharp. It's cutting all weird, the chain ain't no good. It's cutting on an angle and shit.
Your rakers are too high!
Could be. I'll go grab the file. Not ideal, that's for sure.
Yeah, I can see it. The fucking rakers match the height of the fucking chain teeth.
I think they're pretty sharp though. Not bad, man.
I like it to look at it like this. See,
I don't know, they could use a sharpening, I think. They're not sticky sharp. I guess we'll be right back, folks.
I'm gonna go relieve myself, YouTube.
Yep!
Car lot or whatnot.
Yeah, that's the one. Exactly.
I've seen that movie.
Awesome movie. There's 7 of them for some reason.
Oh no!
What?
Oh, okay, I just splashed in through the top. All right.
Yeah,
I got a massive hole, but I don't think I do actually. I think it just splashed. See, it's all wet.
Yeah.
Exactly the same time. Check this out! Harbor Freight Special fucking Oregon chainsaw sharpener. Remounted into an ABS pipe.
We're gonna give this a little touch up.
Bring that thing down here.
We're gonna hold it so the bar doesn't go into the metal.
Alright, everybody. So these arbors for these fucking cheap little mills, chainsaw sharpeners. They're just pressed onto a decent sized 12-volt motor.
Well, don't drink the crik water. The cow's shit in it.
Yeah. They shit in it, they disturb the bank, they cause siltation.
No, that's the dirt bikers, Mike. That's our job causing siltation.
No. Let's face facts. People just need to get off their ass and go look at the fucking facts.
Look at all this poo in the water. It wasn't me. Holy. Wow, that's sharp.
Yeah, no, it's just all a matter of visually. Boom, there goes the burr. Sharp as fuck.
We're gonna bring you all a little closer to the action here.
That's the back side of this thing. Oh, they have a maximum cut mark on them, eh?
Yep. That's also your guide for your angle.
Oh, look at that. Fuck off. There you go.
Sorry folks, bugs are crazy out here. The benefit to this little contraption is you don't have to take the chain off the saw. The benchtop one, you have to take the chain off the saw, and it takes a little bit more time. If this was a newer chain and wasn't basically fucked, I'd be using the benchtop one for sure.
Fuck off.
You can see Mike getting in there fucking it right up. Alright folks, we're going to get a raker file on these rakers here, and we're going to get this done, and then we're going to get back to you when we're ready to try to attempt this cut again. You can see it's kind of going fucking cockeyed here, and that's not really what we're looking for. So we're going to try and fix it up here and see what happens. Alright, here we are, we're back. We're going to try to cut this massive log. We sharpened the chain, we brought down the rakers, and hopefully, it's an old chain. Hopefully it's going to work. On a bit of an angle, but I think we're okay.
Looks okay. Pretty loose.
Okay. I think that's our bit of our problem here.
God damn, that was hot though. Holy fuck.
That's the exhaust?
Sap.
Oh.
We're doing this today because the goddamn dirt bike has another radiator hole. Holy crap, almost died.
Mike's over there. We've been having some issues with the camera, but he already started bringing some of the hunks back to camp. But we got a big stack of these pieces we got. They look like mushrooms. Some of them not as much, but I mean, even this is pretty nice if we keep going at it. It's just, my pants got a rip in it here, and as you can see, I'm completely full of sawdust from the sawing. And my boot is full of water and sawdust. And yeah. Removing these awesome pieces, we're gonna make some cool shit, then y'all can follow along. We sure got the crik all stirred up full of sawdust here, but we're getting her done. Mike's back for another couple pieces here. That's the broken one anyway, so get it off there?
Yeah. Put it on there.
He's probably gonna need my help with this big cocksucker.
Yeah, we'll take it next.
Okay. Good girl.
Oh my god.
That kind of gives you a bit of a scale, just how massive these pieces of wood are. Like, they're taking up the whole back ass end of his quad. They're almost as wide as a quad. Like, it's kind of crazy. So we're just here. We got a few more of these we're gonna grab. And yeah, then we're gonna see. Maybe we'll take some more, maybe not, but that was a pretty fun experience using that 32-inch bar. And as you see, we started cutting a bit fucked up here again because the chain's getting dull. It's a shitty chain anyway, right? It's kind of a fucked up chain, and then with this bar, there's so much flex that it kind of goes left and right as you're cutting, so it's definitely not as precise as I expected, but that's definitely all right. We made some good progress here. Check out one of these related videos because I think you just might like them. Take care.